Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to chain. Now because we're just practicing, I'm just going to use any size yarn. You can use any size yarn, any size hook that you want. Okay? So to start your chain, you start with a slip knot. And I have a video of how to do the slip knot. I'll leave the link somewhere in the description for you to be able to access that. So here is my slip knot. And then from the slip knot, I am going to put the yarn on top, pull the yarn through that loop. Yarn on top, pull it through. Yarn on top, look at the hook and the position of it. It's kind of upright, mostly upright. Okay, yarn on top, and as I pull it through, I turn it, I rotate the hook so it's facing down. The purpose of that is so that the yarn doesn't fall off the hook. So I'll do that again so you can have a better idea of what I'm doing. So yarn on top, pull through. Yarn on top, pull through. Make sure you're not making your loops too tight, because if you make your loops too tight, it's going to be hard to get the yarn through. But at the same time, you don't want it too big, okay? So just enough space to get that yarn through. So tilt your hook a bit, pull through, and make sure you're holding that tail between your fingers so you have good grasp of the yarn, okay? Over, through, over, through, over. Tilt your hook a bit as you bring it through, over. Very repetitive. Over and through. Yarn over the hook. Pull the yarn through, but make sure you've tilted your hook a bit so the yarn doesn't slip off. So over, tilt, pull, over, tilt, pull, over, right? There we go. That's how you chain. Okay, hope you found this helpful, everybody. Thanks for stopping by one more time. Please subscribe, please like the video, and if you found it useful, please share with your friends who are interested in doing crochet. Don't forget to comment so I can know how you're getting on, whether the instructions are clear enough for you. Thanks again, everybody. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.